This is how you're going to add border radius to Elementor slides. So if you want rounded corners on your slides, we're just going to first head over to our Elementor website editor, and then from the left side panel or from the Elements tab right here at the left side, we're going to search for slides. So I'm just going to drag slides over to this page, and then from here I am going to add a border to this. So as you can see, there are no borders to the slide yet. I'm going to head over to the style tab from the left side panel once again, click on that, and then from here try to find if you can see the border tab. If you cannot find it here, you can head over to advanced, and then here you will probably see it. So you're just going to scroll down, and then you'll be able to find the border right here, and then you're just going to tap on it. Just make sure that this drop down arrow opens, and then from here we're going to add a border. So from the border type, you're going to select solid, and then you'll start to see this solid line around your slide. So from here I'm going to adjust the width of the slide or the border. I'm just going to make sure that it is thick enough to create that radius. Now after you create a border, and then once you have adjusted your border width, you're now going to head over to the border radius, and then you're going to increase it. So you can just tap on any of these. So for example, you're going to tap on top, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to increase that. So you can increase it however you want to, and as you can see, slowly as we increase this, I'm now at 14, the radius or the corners are becoming rounder. And that's it. That is how you're going to add border radius to Elementor slides. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.